If an irrigation zone won't turn on at all, no water, nothing, it's really tempting to grab a shovel and start digging. I've learned that usually just creates more work. When a zone doesn't come on, there's a short list of things that can cause it. What matters is the order you check them in. The first thing I look at is whether the zone runs in manual mode at the controller. If it doesn't run manually, then it's probably not a scheduling issue, something else is stopping it. Next, I check whether other zones are working. If more than one zone isn't working, that usually tells me I'm dealing with a controller, power, or wiring issue, not something buried in the ground. If it's just one zone, I'll go listen at the valve while it's being turned on. If I hear a click or a hum, that tells me the signal is getting there. If I don't hear anything, that usually points to wiring or the solenoid, not a bad valve. Only after I know the signal is there and the water is actually on do I start thinking about the valve itself. Digging before that just skips the figuring out part. I kept seeing people replace parts or dig things up without ever getting a clear answer, so I put together a short guide that walks through this step by step with checklists and clear stopping points. If that sounds helpful, I've linked it below.